Hello, friends. I'm very happy that I got some good comments on my previous videos about Sarvotobhadra Chakra, and extremely sorry for delaying further videos. But the thing is that there are a lot of changes going on around, so there are many issues. We are not at peace of mind to make things work as we plan it out or we want to do it. Uh, Anyhow, I'm talking about pandemic and all these things, but we have to live with it. As life gives us challenges, we have to accept it and we have to go along. Life just doesn't stop. In coming back to the point, today I want to say something in this video about how Sarvotobhadra Chakra I used to take use of in seeing the particular things astrologically, like aspects of our. Generally, it was used for the financial gains and all these things, but I'm digging into it some more, looking into more something which is applicable to our day-to-day life also. So, in Sarvotobhadra Chakra, this system is very good elaborated by Ravindra Bhai Desai, a Gujarat astrologer from Gujarat. Then later on he went to US, and but his literature was in Gujarati. But Mr. DJ Pandya from Bombay, he elaborated it very nicely and very brought it to into books and in his lectures. I had chance to go through his books, Dr. DJ Pandyaji, and I got very good information and which helped me a lot, and I should thought that why not share it to this thing. So my pattern of looking the things from Sarvotobhadra Chakra is previous. We saw that there are Surya Bindus and Chandra Bindus in Sarvotobhadra Chakra. Planets in the Surya Bindus, Surya 8 Bindus, and planets in the Chandra's 8 Bindus. The lamps of Surya and Chandra. They give particular events to our lives. But in this, we see in Panchangs also, there is a column written, Nadis. Now, like Amrit Nari, Chandra Nari, Vat Nari, Dahan Nari, Somya Nari, Neer Nari, Jal and Amrit Nari. So these are the Nadis we are mentioned in Panchangs. So I was interested in knowing about how they are performing and how they are made to use. So DJ Pandya and Mr. Ravindra Bhai Desai in Gujarati literature, they gave us the detailed knowledge about these things. So there are 7 nadis in old literatures, and they belong to our psychic, our nature, how we think, how we think our particular nature. Some people think big, some people talk loud, some people big. They want to talk big things only. Some are very shy, sober, and they just want to. Some are normal, basically. They don't get carried away. So these are the nature. These natures can be derived from this nadis in Sarvotobhadra Chakra. These are the nadis. So there are actually Chandra Nadi, Vat Nadi, Dahan Nadi, Somya Nadi, Neer Nadi, Jal Nadi and Amrit Nadi. 7 nadis. So 7 nakshatras here. From here it goes Chand, Vat, Zeh, and again from here Amrit, then it goes in Jal like this. Jal, Neer, Somya and this thing. From here again it comes Chand, so Chand, Vat, Zeh and these things and Amrit and this way. The reason why they are going this forward and then from here going it backward and then from here going forward and then going backwards. The reason is that they will come opposite. Chand will come opposite to Chand. Amrit will come opposite to Amrit. Like that. Jal will go opposite to Jal. Vat will go opposite to Vat. Somya will go opposite to Somya. Somya is going opposite to Somya. So the sequence is in that way. These are our nakshatras, Kritika, Rohini, Mrigashi, Shadra, Punarka. So these nakshatras are fixed. As Nadi is also fixed nature of the nakshatras. Nadi's pulse is what we call. Now, how to implement it? How to, so I put a lot of thought and I gathered some horoscopes and I was verifying it. It was working very nice. Chandranari means they always go for big things, big. So, for example, if they want to invest in a share market, somebody friend will advise him to invest $1,000 in shares. They said, why 1,000? Why not 100,000? So they will go for big. So they are Chand, very, very stubborn, strong-headed, go ahead, and results can be seen apparently also. What? They are big thinkers. Oh, if I want to do this, then why not small? Why not big? They will always, like a drama, small thing they will make into big. With the script writing and this thing, a hero will be magnified. Actually, it is nothing, but it's a hero. It's magnified. Superhero. So Vatnari. So these two things are very big, very gigantic, very go ahead, outgoing, this thing outbursts. Robust, we can tell it. Because these two nadis, Ashwini, Chandranari, Bharani and Kritika, Rohini and Ashwini. So this is Aries sun and Taurus sun, Rohini. So this one, so generally Aries, Taurus, and opposite to that, Libra, and opposite here, Scorpio. So Aries, Libra, Taurus, Scorpio, opposite. So these are opposite. So that's why we write it. The reason is that we can either see how much brave you are, how much courageous, how much your arms are strong, and how much hard work you put into it. Your fortune is to that proportionate, bright. Your heart as much clean. Suppose you are clean at your heart, you think good about people, you are too much emotional, sensitive. So your deeds are opposite. Your deeds are also like that. Clean, emotional, sensitive, helping. Your brain, fifth house, intellect. Suppose you are very too much intelligent person, sharp at memories, looking very good in studies, and putting very good efforts. So your gains opposite will be also accordingly. So this concept of opposite of these things, so they reflect in that way. So nadis are placed in that order. So this is one of the way of interpreting it. And so these two nadis, Chandvas, they come into Aries. Ashwini in Aries, Bharani in Aries, Kritika a little bit, then Kritika here, and Rohini here. So see this. In opposite, Chand, Vishaka, Anuradha, Libra. This one, Vat comes, Vat and Vishaka. Vat and Vishaka comes here. Then Vishaka. Chandi here comes, Anuradha and Jyeshtha. They come here. Scorpio. So Taurus, Scorpio, Aries, Libra. So these are active, Mars oriented, Venus oriented. So, and this Dahan Nari is always thinking ahead, always moving, thinking what will I do this, what will happen to this. He is bogged with worries, too much worries. Dahan, that we call Bharani. He is always his thoughts and he is always thinking too much emotionally. What will happen to him? What will happen to my kid if he will not study? So he is always worried. The planet placed in Dahan Nari will give him worries a lot. Nature of worrying a lot. Somya is easygoing, balanced, very nice. So when we see Gemini sign here, Gemini, this from here to here is a Gemini sign. Opposite is Sagittarius. So Gemini and Sagittarius. So these are Somya. Dahan and Somya goes here. There, if the third lord is dull, malefically aspected, weak, it converts into Dahan Nari. So it gives him worries. And Soumya Nadi comes here, easy going, well blessed. Basically, we can see that in a Rashi, the nakshatra falling in between of the Rashi, middle part of the Rashi, they are strong nakshatras. Their nature is stubborn as per. Soumya means you will be Soumya only. Dahan is on the edge of the sign. Neer is also on the edge of the sign. So these two nakshatras are on edges. This is in the center, this is in the center. Jal is in the center. So they are fixed, means they are not unstable. So Soumya, I told you about Soumya, balance, easygoing, nice person. They don't get carried away by saying, okay, this sadness comes, they laugh it out. When the serious thing comes, they laugh it out. When laughing thing comes, they become okay, no, not this. So they are Soumya, easygoing person. Very nice nadi actually. Neer is always flowing, like a river is always flows, water always flows. So they keep on moving, they keep on flowing. It's like a stream on the move. They create one opportunity, grab the money. If I sell this, I get this much commission. Okay, do it. If I do this, I get this much amount. Always moving there. These are one big think big, do big. These are proportionality, moving along. Jal is a wealth, pond, lake. Like this is a flowing river, stream. Neer, Jal is a pond. So water is enough there, wealth. So these people, planet born Chandra here, so they are generally considered as wealthy people. Born in a wealthy family. Wealth is there. Pond is full of water. Reservoir. And this is Amrit. When any need comes, they get it. They are lucky people. So whenever they desire to get something turns up, nature's helps and is there. So they are, suppose if somebody is not having money, he doesn't have wealth like this thing. He is not having constant commission or this thing, money flowing. Somebody says, his wife says, okay, let us have BMW. Okay. His credit is built in the bank. He goes into the bank. Bank says, yeah, we can finance you. We can give you the loan. You can have BMW. So Amrit. He doesn't get disheartened, everything. He's a lucky person, easygoing, and lucky person gets everything on time, whatever he desires. Think nature arranges for him. So that's Amrit. God arranges for him. So somebody's moon is in Amrit Desh, Ashleha, Magha, Shravana, or Dhanishta. Amrit Nakshatra. So they people are lucky people. So they are, as the need comes this way. Now, just for one practical example, if we see that, take an example of Aquarius ascendant. So in Aquarius ascendant, now if we see Lagna Lord goes into the Saturn goes into the Taurus. Here Vat Nakshatra. Moon goes into Swati Nakshatra, Vat. So both are this Vat. And Shukra, Yogkarak, for this Aquarius, is here. Debilitated in the 8th house, Virgo. This is horoscope, everybody knows those. I don't want to mention the name right now. Yogkarak Shukra, Lagna Lord going into the 4th house. Shukra sign Taurus, Libra sign is covered by the moon. And to your clue, the Lord of this moon, in moon sign, in Saturn sign, Lagna is there. But in moon sign, Jupiter is there. Cancer. So in moon sign, exalted Jupiter. Saturn sign, Lagna Lord. No, but here it is a Ketu. Here it is a Rahu. Now Sun is here, along with the Yogakaraka Venus. Sun supports it. The point is Vatanadi. These two planets, Kendra Trikon, are in Vatanadi. Does it say something? Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, artistic, big thinker, superstar, very good actor. How to demonstrate the thing in a very to the masses of the audience. Svatanari, two planets, Saturn and this, and their dispositor Venus, also debilitate with the Sun. So, quality of Vatanari, I am demonstrating it. So, these pulses, this nature, this made him these things. It's a small example in this thing. So, this is how we can trace out. In Sarvatopadda Chakra, the Nadi, our nature and our proportion, how that is. I hope you like this video. It was a simple and nice way. Further, I will make it more if you like it. Thanks for giving me time and for the delay.